Similar figures and scale factors. For these examples, you'll be given a shape, and you can see x turns into 3x, so it's 3 times the length, and y is also 3 times the length. So if the perimeter of the smaller triangle is 6, so the distance around the shape is 6, what's the perimeter of the larger triangle? You really just do take it times 3. We're working with just the distance, so just when you take that distance times 3, it becomes 3 times as long, so it's now 18. So 6 times 3 is 18. Now I always recommend you plug in numbers and check. What if x is worth 1 and y is worth 2? And this would be like worth 3, because 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Well, triple it. So 1 times 3, this is now 3. 2 times 3, this is now 6. And 3 times 3, this is now 9. So 3 plus 6 plus 9. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18, which is what we got. 3 times 6 is 18. So you could confirm it by just putting in numbers that would make it true. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Triple those. 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18. The perimeter is a distance around. This example has to deal with area. So this is where you now square the scale factor. The area is now squared, so the scale factor is squared. So the area of the small rectangle is 3. What's the area of the larger rectangle? Since this is 3 times the size and this is 3 times the size, that affects the area by a factor of 3 squared. So this is 9. 9 of these little rectangles would fit inside of this bigger rectangle. There'd be 3, 6, 9 of them fitting in there, because 3 times 3, it's 9 times as many. So you end up taking the area times 9. 3 times 9 is 27. And again, confirming this with some numbers, I'm going to say to get 3, we're going to do half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. So let's say x is worth 0.5 or half, and y is worth 6. So if you now triple 6, you get 18. This would be 18. And if you triple a half, you get 1.5. So 1.5 times 18. 1.5 times 18 would be 27. Again, because area is now squared. 3 squared, this is now 9 times as many, and 9 times 3 is 27. The last example here says how many square inches are in 2 square feet. Again, squared. So instead of saying 1 foot is 12 inches, we're going to square them, and that would mean 1 square foot is 12 times 12, 144 square inches. Now that would go with 1 square foot. What if we want 2 square feet? Well, we take this times 2, and you get 288. The answer would be D.